So, coding the last part of our social media scheduler. What it is that we're able to upload a video to Reels and Shorts, okay? After you upload this video, you can also schedule it to get posted another day, or you can simply upload it immediately. Now let's jump into the new code and show you guys my progress so far.
I don't like front end is so draining to me. So here it is, guys. So you have your title, description, tags, your caption, and then you can pick a time here and an hour. So let's say at 9 o'clock in 10 minutes. Boom. And then you can hit post/schedule here. Make sure that's aligned, yeah. So they can post/schedule here, and then it also shrinks down to mobile as well. So boom, there we go. Okay, so that's the front end kind of done. Credentials. Yes, will be equal to authenticate. And then we need to do the YouTube build again. This function here is to get all of our YouTube short view count. Okay, that's pretty much it. So we get success. So if we scroll, we should have our data now, guys, from all of our YouTube shorts, as you can see here. So our most recent one would be uploading Twitter using HTML and React. So if we go to dog shorts, you can see it comes up both right here, right? So that is correct. There we go. Let's hit send. Couldn't connect to error, something went wrong. Oh, here it is. There we go. Okay. This here will include shorts, and then in our else statement we'll say long form. This is just to show you guys. So let's hit the endpoint. Let's go back. So as you can see, we can now distinguish what is a YouTube short from our YouTube long form content. So right here you can see shorts title, and here's a long form instead. Shorts title, long form. So bang, so now we can distinguish between both of them. First we simply authenticate, then we go ahead and we have to make a call to YouTube with our credentials here, and in a request we're asking for, hey, get me essentially all the videos that I liked, and I want to get the content details and statistics for them as well. So like your view count, your likes, your comments, etc. Right? This part of the code, Google only gives us 4 at a time. So as you can see here, it only gives us 4 at a time, and we're just looking for the next page token within list. As long as it's still present in the list, we'll keep executing this response until there's no more content left to be shown, right? From then, we simply just process our liked videos for YouTube Shorts. Okay, this does one. What does print data list do? Yeah, it's supposed to return back the whole entire thing.
Boom. Okay, we're back. Lot to update you guys back on again, but I think today we're going to work on creating our dashboard and doing a bit more front end so we can get this project done. But check outside real quick. Like, tell me why it's March and it's snowing.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you some of the work that I ended up finishing by myself, as it took me a bit to figure out, and I just didn't want to record the entire thing because I feel like it would just be boring for you guys. Once you hit the /dashboard endpoint, you're then greeted with this. You could see your total views. This is the total views amongst Instagram and YouTube. Here is the SKUCCI table. This is so cool. I'll show you guys a bit of the backend afterwards, but essentially we'll grab the most recent Instagram reels, my 10 most recent Instagram reels. It gives us the date as well and the view count as well, okay? Then we hit next. Then as you can see, it is the same thing but with our YouTube short. So this is amazing, okay? We can see our analytics here all in one spot. And then we can also go ahead and search. So let's say before and after CSS. So before and after, right? There we go. So this really cool filtering. I can sort by platform, which we have right now. Sort by date, as you see, it mixes it up, right? Instagram, YouTube. Sort by view, our highest views that we got, as you can see. And then yeah, so there we go. And then we can also get rid of some of the columns, which is really cool. Okay, and then as you scroll down, we have a chart of both reels and shorts and the number of views. So you can see February 29th. Very hard to see actually. March 1st, same thing here, so it's pretty cool. This is essentially what I got done. Here's our dashboard page, and the way that it works, guys, is that we call on this get data function. Now what this get data function does is that it hits our backend, as you see here, and it will grab the Instagram Reels views and you get YouTube Short views as well. So it'll grab that data from our backend. Then what we do is we set it to a variable, okay? Reels data and Shorts data. And then we simply just pass in that data into our video table. So now I'm going to quickly take you guys through the uploading process. So because this isn't superly optimized, once you upload a video, I have one uploaded right here. Let's say a title. So coding in Codium for YouTube. Hashtag video, hashtag Codium. Okay. Caption coding in VS Code for no reason, hashtag video. Okay. Then we can schedule it. So if we don't want it to be scheduled, we can simply just leave it at 00. And now once we hit post, it should go ahead and post that for us. Let's see. Loading. Video uploaded successfully. There we go.
Okay, so I think that's about it for the project. I'm going to say that we're going to wrap this up. I'm going to try to get this deployed. But I'm probably going to use Heroku as my backend since I'm going to be the only one using it. And for the front end, I'll probably just use Heroku as well, or maybe Vercel. We'll see. But I could definitely get this deployed so I can put it on my resume. It was an interesting project. I did learn to actually look up the API and see the capabilities and what's required, whether you need to submit an app or not for you to get approved. That is something that I should have definitely looked into instead of jumping straight in. Hey, that's part of the game, right? So it was a fun project. I'm going to be releasing the source code on GitHub, so you guys can go ahead and take a look and see what you would want in terms of UI, maybe the API calls and stuff like that. If you guys want more content like this, please subscribe and drop a comment down below.